I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Corrie, your seaplane spotter extraordinaire. I'm thrilled to take you on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure where I offer you a front row seat with a first class ticket. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the comings and goings of these amazing seaplanes at the Water Airport Charlie Yankee Whiskey Hotel. Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts. Although it looks like an air traffic control tower, looks can be deceiving. It is not a control tower. Victoria Harbour Airport operates under a prior permission required system. This means that not just anyone can come to Victoria and land their seaplane. The Nav Canada Tower provides flight services, which includes up-to-date weather and water conditions for the pilots. To fly into the harbour airport, pilots have to do special studies and take an exam beforehand. This amazing Harbour Air de Havilland Otter is ident Golf Hotel Alpha Romeo and is serial number 42. She was manufactured in Canada in 1954 and purchased by Harbour Air in 2002. 1954 makes this aircraft 70 years old. Wow, she's a beauty. This Esquimalt Air, the Havilland UHC2 Turbo Beaver, is ident November 32 Golf Whiskey and is serial number 1689 Tango Bravo 57. She was manufactured in Canada in 1968. Thanks for finding my channel and watching this video. I'm truly grateful for your support. When you tune in and I make revenue from YouTube, I donate 10% of that revenue to various charitable organizations. Your support does help make a positive impact, and I thank you. This Kenmore Air de Havilland DHC3 Otter is ident November 50 Kilo Alpha and is serial number 221. She was manufactured in Canada in 1956 and is painted the livery of Seattle's King 5 TV show Evening Magazine. She's a beauty. This Harbour Air de Havilland DHC3 Otter is ident Golf Echo November Delta and is serial number 371. She was manufactured in Canada in 1960. My first ever otter ride was in this particular otter, and I went to Vancouver. It was an amazing ride. This Kenmore Air de Havilland Otter is ident November 87 Kilo Alpha and is serial number 11. She was manufactured in Canada in 1953. As promised, not only did we get to see this beautiful otter land, we will also get to see this beautiful otter take off. Thanks for coming on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure. I am grateful you found the lounge at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, and you took your front row seat with your first class ticket. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is just a small reflection of me and what my monocular vision sees. There are many great playlists other than just planes. I have a thing for things with wings. I love all things mechanical and have a real thing for nature. Heck, I even like to eat and have started posting scrumptious food reviews. I am sincerely thankful for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.